Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab, and welcome to a new index card art word prompt. Now, today's word prompt is the word family, and it's defined as a group of one or more parents and their children living together as a unit. It's also defined as all the descendants of a common ancestor. Okay, now before you pull out your index card and paints, glues, papers, and whatever else you're going to use to create this art that we're working on today, let's take a moment to think about what the word means to us and let that be the thing that inspires our art. All right? See you on the other side. Okay, so this one was not the easiest one for me. I started off with these balloons, in an effort to give an interpretation of what family means to me. I saw these balloons in a magazine, and I think it was the Realtor magazine that I received. And what I noticed about them, one, they're pretty anyways, but what I noticed about them is they're all hot air balloons, right? But, and let me just, there we go. They're all hot air balloons. However, they all are a little different. They all have different patterns and colors, and um, so they offer a little something different to this picture, right? Um, I said family is where we belong. Now, family isn't just your blood relatives. It's your people. It's the people that you have actually chosen to spend parts of your life with. It's your friends. It's coworkers that you've become close to. So, I use the term family to mean people that are dear to me, or I'm dear to them, or we're mutually dear to one another. I added this this it's actually Scotch tape that I've used a brown alcohol marker on to kind of create a vintage tape look. And I got that technique from Tanya Samuels here on YouTube. And now I was going to put it on the side. I pulled it up, and this ended up staying. So I said, let me just make it a part of the the art. But I used this tape because it's a little bit of a contrast in the picture, right? It has its own aesthetic. It's not as pretty as these, but it's still a part of the picture. And sometimes in family, we have periods in our individual lives where we are a part of a family. And while we're going through an ugly stage or a difficult time, um, it doesn't take us out of our family. We're still a part of the picture, flaws and all, issues and all. And so, and then I just add a little bit of washi tape. Now, the washi tape indicates the family that we add. So this is the family that we're born into. This represents the stages of life that we go through that are difficult or make us a little unbearable at times. And then this is the family that we choose. It still has the colors that we love, the things that we are attracted to that are similar to us. But maybe maybe come from a different background, maybe come from a different role, if you will, of the world. So, and then I added stickered glitter hearts, just to indicate the love that we have for our family. Now, all of that is on top of some coffee dyed paper. There's a doily print in the background, and then I added the little bubbles, uh, just a little effervescent look there. So, family, it's where we belong. And I enjoyed this. I enjoyed the process. It was difficult to pull together because I was trying to get the concept. I had the concept in my mind, but I needed the elements to pull it all together. And so I love the way that this came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this process. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I hope that it inspired you to pull out your index cards and create your own version or interpretation of what family means to you. Now, if you're new to the channel, haven't already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Hit that button along with the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I put up a new index card art series video or any other crafty video that you might be interested in. And for my returning subscribers and creative family, I just want to thank you for continuing to support the channel, for supporting me and my creative journey, for joining along with me on it, and for sharing your comments, feedback, encouragement, and also for those who are over on the Maker Exchange, which there's a link below. If you care to join us over there and share your work, you're more than welcome to do so. But for those who are over on the Maker Exchange, I enjoy watching what you guys create. And oftentimes I'll post a video, and within 24 hours, I'll see other versions, you guys' interpretation of what that index card, of your index card art. So I love the feedback and the camaraderie and support that we have for one another. And so that's kind of what this community is all about. It's about expressing ourselves, and encouraging one another to continue to do so. And art isn't always beautiful in the uh, everyday sense where it's flowers and butterflies. Sometimes art is the beauty that you pour out to express your emotions. It's not always roses and bright colors. Sometimes it's dark, but it's a part of life, so that's what makes it beautiful. And the fact that you took the time to put it down and work through that's a part of the beauty too. So I think if we can embrace all aspects of our lives, and know that, even the troubled times, they don't last always. I think that it makes art worthwhile. You know what I mean? And it makes it something that we look forward to, because we're not always in the mood to put down, the standard beautiful things. Sometimes we just need to put out what we feel. So that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. And until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Let me give you a close-up here. All right? Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.